Hey everyone, welcome back to Harmonious Adventures. Today we are going to talk about booking for Walt Disney World. So it's 60 days out from your resort reservation, or let's hope it's 61 days out, because you are going to make sure that you are logged in and that you have all of your credit card information stored in your My Disney Experience account 61 days before. So what you need to work on right now is updating your My Disney Experience account, making sure that that is all correct so that when you go in to make your reservations, it's a very quick and easy flow. So that's my first tip. The next thing that we're going to talk about is another thing that you can make reservations for is your Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, the Savi's Lightsaber, and the Droid Depot. So all of these you can make reservations for 60 days prior, and these are ones that go very quickly, so I definitely recommend that being on the top of your list. Now, another thing that you want to do is have 2 credit cards, just in case if for some reason the one that you have saved in your account, and you can save multiple cards, but if for some reason one of those is not working, you have a backup. You also can test run your reservation before you get started. Today, if it's 61 days out or however many, you can actually book a reservation for, let's say, 3 days from now to do a test run. I'm sure that you'll be able to find something that you could just put in and then go back. Don't forget to cancel it. But this way you could kind of test run and try it out, make sure that everything is accurate. So the next thing that I want to talk to you guys about is if you have a larger party, let's say that you have a party of 8, I would recommend that you break that down and make 2 different My Disney Experience accounts and make reservations for 4 each time. So let's say you want to go to, I'm going to say Beacon Barrel because that's very popular right now. It'd be very hard to get a party of 8 booked in for Beacon Barrel, but it would be easier for you to do that if you had 2 parties of 4. Now, what you can do is the day of your reservation, if you have time, you can go by that particular restaurant where you have that reservation and just let them know that you are a party of 8, but that you have 2 reservations booked for, 2 parties of 4 booked, and you'd like to put them together. Now, a lot of times if you ask in advance, they will agree and put you together unless it's a really small place, but regardless, they'll have you seated closer together, if that makes sense. So just know for the larger parties, it's going to be extremely hard to get a reservation for something like that. All right, let's see. So the easiest thing for me to do when booking these reservations, I'm going to add the video at the end of this to show you. I did a screen grab. The easiest way to make a reservation is going to be for you to go on to the My Disney Experience, and instead of going to the dining, you're actually going to type in the search bar the restaurant that you're wanting to book, or Bibbidi Bobbidi, the lightsaber, etc. Got Bo back here. He just walked in. So back to what I was saying, you want to make sure that, all right, I was interrupted by my little Ghostbuster here. He's walking around being silly. Anyways, when you're typing it in the search bar, that's much easier than trying to filter through all of the dining that Walt Disney World has to offer. So I hope that that helps. Here is a quick video of how you can do that. Also make sure, last little tip, that you rank your top reservations to go first. And I would recommend that you do the top reservations that sell out, do them more towards the end of your trip. You are more likely to get dining reservations. Let's say that you check in on the 1st and you're staying until the 7th. You're more likely the 5th, 6th, and 7th day to get those reservations, because that is 60 plus 7 days out, or 60 plus 4, if that makes sense. So I hope that this helped. This is a quick little video. If you need any help with dining, I offer dining concierge services, and I'd be happy to help you book your dining if you are scared or don't know how. But I think that this video kind of gives you a good little synopsis, quick little thing on how to get booked. So if you need anything, just let me know. I also am a official Disney travel advisor. I'd love to book your next vacation for you. So thank you so much for watching. Here is the video that I'm explaining how you type in the dining in order to get it quicker instead of filtering through all of the dining to get to what you want. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon. Here is the My Disney Experience homepage, and up in the top right corner, you'll see the search bar. This is where you're going to put that restaurant in. So I put Yak and Yeti in, and then here is, I'm going to click that link. As you can see, it pulls it up. I do check available days. Put how many people I want in my party. And then you can see this is the available dates. I'm just selecting a random date to show you guys an example. For some reason, this was not... it's because I had dates selected instead of just selecting one date. So you can select for the entire week if you want to check. See what you get. And then here I'm just selecting a time. So Wednesday, October the 1st is what I selected. I'm hitting continue. And then here is the checkout information. That's why you want to preload everything. All right, now you're inputting your credit card information that should already be saved. Hit next and then confirm. It's completing your reservation now. And then here you go. Thank you, your reservation's booked. What you're going to do is screenshot this information so that you do have that. If for some reason in the future the app deletes your reservation, you want to have a copy of this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon.